Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to properly measure blood pressure using a manual sphygmomanometer. A manual blood pressure kit includes three main parts: the inflatable cuff, which wraps around the patient's upper arm, the rubber bulb that is used to pump air into the cuff, and the manometer or dial, which shows the blood pressure in millimeters of mercury, and it is written as mmHg, along with a stethoscope. Now let's talk about how to measure blood pressure easily. Make sure the person is seated comfortably with their arms supported at heart level and palm facing up. The first step is to figure out the brachial artery's position. Just put your hand on the elbow and feel the pulse of the brachial artery. Once you feel the pulse, that's great. Then wrap the cuff around the upper arm of the patient, 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow crease. And then take the dial, it has got this holder at its back. Then put it on the cuff, and then put the stethoscope's dial just below the cuff on the place where you felt the brachial artery pulse. Then take the stethoscope and put it in your ears, and lastly, take the bulb, close the valve by turning it clockwise. Then squeeze the bulb to inflate the cuff. Watch the dial and inflate it to about 200 millimeters of mercury. Now, slowly open the valve, about 2 to 3 millimeters of mercury per second. As the pressure drops, listen carefully. The first tapping sound you hear is the systolic pressure. That's the top number. Note it down. Keep listening. When the sound disappears, that's the diastolic pressure, the bottom number. Note it down. Once you've heard the last sound, fully deflate the cuff. Record your measurement. For example, 110/70. So you'll write 110/70 mmHg, and the normal blood pressure is 120/80 millimeters of mercury. So you measured the blood pressure correctly. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to connect with me on my social media, I've got my Instagram and Twitter.